my channel. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here, and it's for Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays. I love the aesthetic of Valentine's Day. It is just perfection. So if you guys want to see how to get this Valentine's Day look, then please keep watching.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Let's get ready together. So today we're starting off with some primer by Fenty. Once you're done applying your primer, it's time to put some brightener serum on our eyes. Onto foundation, we're just going to be putting this on our face with our trusty beauty blender, and we are just going to be going to town. And then we have to set everything, so I'm using this Makeup Forever setting powder. It's translucent, and then I'm going to be using this Ben Nye Super White to brighten up my eyes and all the highlighted areas on my face. And then we're going to be doing our contour, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and we're just going to be contouring everything and then blending it out with a big fluffy brush so there's no harsh lines. Next is blush, and we're going to be using Suburbia by Sugar Pill. Now onto highlighter. This is a Magpie highlighter, and it is my favorite product. It is so good, you guys. Literally amazing. And then I'm just going to be adding some white eyeshadow as like a base because we're going in with some bright colors. This hot pink color by Sugar Pill, and we are just going to be putting that in our crease, blending it out. After you're done blending out the crease, we're going to move on to our lower lash line and just put some pink on there. And then we're going to be using this red color by Sugar Pill as well. And then we're just going to be doing the same process that we did on the other eye. So you're just going to want to keep blending until everything is really blended. And then we are going to be going on and putting some white in our inner corner just to freshen everything up and make sure everything is super bright. And if it wasn't bright enough for you, we're going to add some highlighter as well. So onto lashes, we're prepping them, putting the glue on and letting them sit, and then we're going to do our eyeliner while our lashes are drying / getting tacky. So who doesn't like a little drama in their life? We do. So we're going to be doing a dramatic winged eyeliner for this look. Now onto mascara. We're just going to be doing one coat on our upper lashes, and then pop your lashes on. Yeah, you heard me right. Pop them on because they're ready to go. And onto some Jumbo NYX white eyeliner and mascara for our lower line, and then we're going to be just putting some clear brow gel on. Next is the star of the show, sparkles and hearts. So we're just going to be putting it on with some lash glue, and it looks so pretty, you guys. Wow. Oh my god. I am so shook right now. Like, the heart really just ties everything all together. It is giving Valentine's Day core for sure. For our last step, we're just going to be applying our lips, and we're going to be using this Cherry Mac lip liner with Ruby Woo, and this is just such a classic lip color. Like, it's truly the classic red lip. With that being said, that will conclude this makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. Bye!
So I hope you guys like this look. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a Valentine, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!